Welcome to UnfollowPeek, the world's best on-device Instagram unfollow tracker. In this guide, you'll learn how to take control of your data with UnfollowPeek in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Request your Instagram data. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Account Center. Under Account Settings, tap Your Information and Permissions. Next, choose Export Your Information, then tap Create Export. Under Choose a Profile, select the Instagram account you'd like to export data from, then tap Export to Device. In Confirm Your Export, tap Customize Information. To get your data quickly, tap Clear All for everything except for followers and following under the Connections section. Then tap Save. Make sure to set the date range to All Time and the format to JSON. Enter your email address under Notify, then tap Start Export. Step 2. Download your zip file. Within 3 to 10 minutes, you'll receive an email from Instagram titled, "Your meta information download is ready." When you do, tap the Export Your Information link in the email. Go back to Export Your Information and tap the Download button. Confirm your password and press Download. The zip file will be saved to Files, iCloud Drive, Downloads. Next, open the Files app and tap the zip file to extract it. Open the Extracted Connections folder, then find the folder named Followers _ and Following. Step 3. Import into UnfollowPeek. Open UnfollowPeek and tap Import. When prompted, select the entire Followers and Following folder, not individual files. The app will securely process your data on your device in seconds. Step 4. View your results. Once imported, UnfollowPeek will show you detailed insights, including who unfollowed you, who you follow but doesn't follow you back, new followers, broken mutuals, and more. All processing happens completely offline, no login, no risk. That's it. UnfollowPeek helps you take control of your Instagram relationships with complete privacy, no login, and no compromises. Download now to see who unfollowed you. It's the world's safest unfollow tracker, designed for privacy and peace of mind.